tu ni khuwa hi Moreh Khopi Coaching Institute AMASAPEN ke bol namun Tupgil mun chu ka building a hin amun hi le phai cham veng a hin chilanga hi lampi hi veleu chun police station lang lampi hi chilang kho hi le Zingka Bazaar New Bazaar supermarket hi lang chu hin chilai masanga bedside academy chu hin tu hin Tupgil academy Tupgil coaching institute chu anake hong panta ni hi asunga veo hitin ga visit uite o ichi a building a hin alu namun chele ita hi chi su le gate umentin Lahit sige rahi kilut dingahin banle gedi honle silangahi ay nan mo hoy nawam very good chai chiule chai ki kal tau ding chi step by kal tau le amun chi lon diwe tai Tupgil the Coaching Institute, an institute for competitive examinations, general foundation course for SSC examinations, registration 500, course fee 6,500, course duration 4 months, class commences 1st June 2026, Monday. Teaching medium, majority local dialect Hari, second floor, Star Bright Academy, HTC Unit 6, Pathen Veng, Moreh, Tengnoupal District. For admission, kindly contact 93620048884. I repeat, 93620048884. Munang to tedinga coaching fee hojong hi alhoma main course fee zong. Duration 4 months in a lie. Lam kalang pailang na chiwa le. Alhom pena course kat ay 15k hu alhom pena hin. Moreh ay hitobang facility na itabin ay input do ho. Kipapi ang mamain. Sasang te ucahin. Sasang boy mang boy ho ahivin. Hitobang Moreh Khopi ngay tu nazala hitobang in bol do hi. Nami pite hin lang Moreh te Khopi thalang hinong na kay may USB ki patu kain say ang charging mo hen Moreh Khopi adinga good news titaute machal na khadong hin tu ahin Tupgil coaching center khare ke hongtan hichilaya hi lekha simban ho Simlai Chapang ho in natoh hol thena diuva training field titaute ehilole chapada akitil khowale exam iti face de ham ipp exam bol thei de ham ti ho chu cha ozo hon ahil su ke diu hin mundang dang district dang nang ini tawin Tengnoupal district ache tabang yam khanai pon Moreh Khopi ang hi Simlai Chapang holding chule nu le pat te dinga ki paum ta kha hin aji chulam kalang coaching center tampita tan phailang alai chi the ta puvin Moreh hozong hichi coaching center deina achulam kalanga hasata ata ai gom vai cha te to ki khadum hin tun wang ki paum ta in Moreh inei ta wini hi amun hi le bedside school chu hin phaicham veng Moreh phaicham veng a hin tuni khunjong ka vilin student hon first best student hon mok station above nyaw khat ga vio te tia sabol lại tao hay ka ham lo đi xe va xong rồi coaching pi ho oza ho to holim na neu cha ipi tup na neiva iti hung ki patham ti ho chin do dio he o tua hi coaching center a Tupgil coaching center a oza hola khar hin ama hi sa sang hin hichi laimun hi ipi tup le do ne wa chule ipi prospect uma elole mabana iti machal go ham chule iti akipan ham ti a history chuni out khat in se pi han lang mabana chal diu a chal be na diu to ne khat in se pi ki pamente
ka ki pa e tunya pu USB tung de met ngai lon nei ta ji coaching center mun cover in bo pi ji win ji coaching center Tupgil the coaching institute hi achi sa 3rd June first batch ani ke pando thei te in ji coaching center do thei na ding a hin loi lopai koi ham tengai la kusungwa aching thim to ko to kholimin kumni valjen he ta chu ani ke ngai tu he te in tu kum 3rd June first batch ani ke pando thei na hi
balle koi chapang nala education qualification hina any graduate elule 12 chai ho jong ham abale pp examination na focus of
competitive exam chu het ma bong win 10 zowa bol thei jong min 12 zowa bol thei jong min graduate zowa bol thei jong min GFC course hi ji chun tua coaching a zaw ho hi 12 chai jong a zaw win graduate chai jong a zaw win hi
okay ke pamin hung ma chalu na sang sa initial stage hi na kai ma ta nyal jong USB na ka ki pa ma mai Moreh Khopi song hitobang initiative nan la over chapang homun chu ma le ta lawa chalai coaching center hoi ta nei over mabana na tongmi erole job center ti tau na job center chat hi le job center hung hi do a cha para Simlai Chapang hon Moreh Khopi khan to da ding chule gamne nam khan to na dinga ahung ma chalova tam pita product na ni divin kain ki pa pivin best wishes kain pive
thank you so much sir
okay Tupgil the coaching institute 2nd floor Starbright Academy Hiche HTC unit 6 Moreh ahin Tengnoupal district class schedule hi yote Monday hi pungli apat punga chanahin Tuesday hi pungli apat punga ni lang Wednesday hi pungli apat punga Thursday pungli apat punga mama Friday zong pungli apat punga Monday to Friday ahin subject le teacher hoi ga biawite oza hoi quantitative aptitude ahi miss ba boy hung hintin general English sarngamlin general intelligence and reasoning sarsanglin echi arotin wi hitan ichia oza ho hin ahin hilpe dio abale mock test hi every Saturday 2:30 pm tu lai ta bol hui hi hin jo ka kap do chu